What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefits Central. I'm Benjamin, and today, trading made simple and investing made easy. Before I dive right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe to stay updated, I'd really appreciate it. What is trading? Trading being the term for exchanging stocks, simply buying and selling. However, the process of buying and selling too quickly would negate the name of investing. So over the past few years, there's been a growth of a bigger difference between the two. Now trading being a categorized genre of people in the market who actively buy and sell out of the market quickly for profits and gains, while investors dump money all at once or consistently over time to grow the value of said invested asset from price growth or compound interest and even dividends. Before knowing which option is best, A or B, investing or trading, you must understand before doing either, you must be informed as much as possible about where and how your money will be performing. Find what you're confident in by understanding something. Just pick something to understand. It's very simple. What is the most talked about correctly? What has a good purpose? What affects people's lives? What solves people's problems? And what is backed and supported by someone? As influencers have entered the market a lot more, they have more impact in the market more than ever now. As you get this down, you're starting to form an analysis as well as confidence behind the markets. But now you need to understand the raw data being pushed in front of you. The graph, the media loves, and I mean loves, to overcomplicate and over-exaggerate with this. With the market, I've noticed the simpler the better. Candles, patterns, supportive and resistance, and price action are all in order as well, I just listed. But they all help me navigate throughout the market in the most simple ways. Candles being the little boxes that are not grown, but that are green or red commonly. Mine are blue and red, as you can see here. These boxes usually have wicks, the reason for calling them candles. These wicks show where the prices have touched or landed during the set time of the candle you're looking at. Example, I'm looking at the hourly charts right here. Each candle takes an hour to form. Patterns being a collection of repetitive candles that form a shape or pattern. Example, this symmetrical triangle that we broke out of Bitcoin right here. It just basically was a bunch of candles that formed together a triangle that we know that eventually has to determine a breakage, that being a pattern. There's tons of different names for patterns as well. Just recognize what the pattern does and trust within it, and you'll gain confidence from seeing this pattern so many times. It'll be repetition and you'll get used to it. Leading to support and resistance being a price tag that's formed a ceiling of resistant volume, meaning each time we come to a collective price, we fall or get pushed down. As far as support, each time we arrive to this price, it holds us or pushes us up, upward, further upward. Support being able to cradle us up, back up. Resistance being able to shun us back down. These can break based off of volume and trends. Bullish being code for up, bearish being code for down. Let's say the trend overall is bearish, and it won't matter how strong support is. It can be broken by the overall momentum trend that is happening. So you wait for an arrival and stay for the close to see what reacts to either support or resistance. Price action being a similar to support and resistance, as a reaction happens at a set price. Price action doesn't always need to be a collective price that's been met before. It can be a selected price by media that everyone calls, causing a support and resistance at that level. So the stock doesn't necessarily had to have hit that price before. Like support and resistance. Support and resistance is a collection of candles that have hit that price before, creating a ceiling of resistance or a floor of support. Trading and investing can be quite simple, really. I can tell you both in 3 steps. Trading, first form an analysis. Second, study your watch list and the graph and its behavior. Third, set a set of rules and follow them. Risk management. Investing the easy and correct way, you do the top 3, just a bit more amplified. You invest a bigger amount or consistent amounts throughout months, quarters, and years until you're in profits for the charts, and you simply just sell, liquidating your position, leaving the market in profit. Trading being more short term, with investing. Lower amounts, it can be higher, but it's just a bit riskier. You're trading hourly and daily and weekly charts instead. And finally, risk management, keeping your losses lower than your profits, always knowing when to assess your analysis, knowing when you're wrong and getting out, putting stop losses or take profits. I am usually against stop losses and take profits, but to begin with, that could benefit you. But other than that, everybody, that was another quick market update video. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe. I'll catch you guys in another one. Ciao.